Did you like the, thank you so much, thank you. Can you keep that? Thanks. Did you like the trailer? Did you like the promo? Louder, louder. That's better. Now. Feature film.
Hi everyone.
Should be able to hear you.
Okay. Yeah. I think 2006 when I was started following my story, and I was still an engineering student. You know how the news used to play out. Sachin scored 100 and Budhya scored yet ran under the marathon. So it became with a lot of fascination, point of fascination, and how such a small kid could run such extraordinary distances and huge euphoria surrounding it. And then there was this, the man who was guiding the kid, and he had a huge backstory as well. A judo coach and a slum kid, and the whole thing was very dramatic and very interesting from that point of view. And since I'm from Odisha, so organically it came to me to cover the story. I think I thought I could bring out a new voice and fresh voice, which people otherwise wouldn't come to know on a national level. Yeah.
Ajit, as a studio, Viacom 18 has backed remarkable films. Films that have a larger meaning, have brought superior cinema to audiences. Why did you choose Budhya Singh Born to Run? Why did you choose to back it?
I think you've answered your questions in a way, but I think I'm glad you asked the question, because whenever we've done unusual films, we've often been asked this question. People asked us, why did you do Bhag Milkha Bhag? You know, why did you do Mary Kom? Why did you do Majhi? This is not the conventional cinema that, let's say, our industry is known to produce. So yes, so these films are very dear to us, because I think at the heart of these films is a great story. It's a great human story. And I think we all love a hero. And when the hero is very real, when the hero is someone who's living, breathing, and someone who's accessible, and best of all, a child like several children here, then I think it just becomes so much more inspiring, you know. So I think this is a film with a great heart. It's a film which will touch your chord, and it's a film which will make you think as to how, as a nation, we have come to this position in sporting achievement, and it will make you question the kind of system we have in this country. So I think if a film touches you and it leaves you with a question, I think that to me is a good enough film and a great enough film.
Before I come to you, Manoj, I want to ask Mr. Gill, who was in Orissa at the time that Budhya Singh was running these marathons. You gave him great support. What was it that you saw in Budhya that you said, I have to back this boy?
There are two things. One, as CRPF head in Bhubaneswar and Odisha, I was committed to promote local culture and sports. That was one, official. When I joined in January there, when somebody told me, I think within a week, that there is a judo coach, he is a boy who runs 30 kilometers, 40 kilometers, and he is not getting tired. Believe me, I didn't believe it. So he said, no, you can call him here, you call to your office, call to your stadium, and he can go. I said, no, I will go. So I went to Branchi's place. It's a small place he has got. Met Budhya there and invited them next day to come to my stadium and let me have a try. Budhya ran, I thought he will run for 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers and will get tired and it's okay. He continued running. We got tired sitting there. And this man he ran about 30 kilometers that day.
Right.
And what Branchi told me, I believed it. Yes, this boy has something unusual, something exceptional in him, which can make him what we want to make. So, that day onward, Branchi Das, Budhya, I will not say me or I will say my department, we became one to promote Budhya and to help him. That's how the story started from there.
Wonderful. Manoj Bajpayee, phenomenal performance we can make out from the trailer. You are the person really who, and the role that you essay of Biranchi Das, the coach of Budhya Singh, played an extremely important role in Budhya doing what he did. He dared him to dream, literally. He made him run. He saw the talent and he followed it. How crucial do you think this coach's role was?